What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert colored photo to black and white on your Samsung Galaxy phone or any other Android phone. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my gallery here, and as you can see I have a photo of my son here, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply convert this to black and white. So all you have to do guys, once you have the photo selected, you want to go ahead and click on the edit button on the lower left hand side there, right? So once you click on that, it will go into edit mode. Then at the bottom here, by default it is selected with the crop, but you need to use the filter in order to convert this, and this is the one with the three circles in the middle at the bottom there. So tap on that. From here you have all of these different filters, so you need to go ahead and swipe through or scroll through until you find the black and white one, and that's basically the one with the BMW. Now once this is selected, you can go ahead and tap on save at the upper right hand side, or if you want to make a copy of this, just simply click on the three dots there and it will save as a copy. Just tap on save as copy and it will make a copy, and that's all there is to it. Now as you can see here, I have two copy of the photo here, one here and one here, one black and white, one colored, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.